Greetings, discerning viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless charging with a focus on a device designed specifically for Samsung aficionados. We'll be unboxing and thoroughly reviewing the 3-in-1 wireless charging station for Samsung devices, a solution promising to streamline your charging setup and declutter your workspace. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. Let's begin with the unboxing. Inside the box, we have the charging station itself, neatly packaged for protection during transit. We also find a USB-C charging cable, which is excellent as it ensures compatibility with the latest Samsung devices. And finally, the obligatory user manual, which, while hopefully unnecessary, is always good to have on hand for troubleshooting and understanding the product specifications. Now, let's take a closer look at the charging station itself. As you can see, it boasts a sleek and modern design. The build quality feels solid and premium, indicating a focus on durability. The charging station features dedicated areas for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, specifically designed to accommodate models such as the S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra, S23, S22, Note 20, and the Z Flip 6 and Fold 6. Furthermore, it provides a charging platform for your Galaxy Watch, compatible with the Ultra, 7, 6, and 5 series, and a dedicated space for your Galaxy Buds 3 and 3 Pro. The layout is intelligently designed to minimize interference and optimize charging efficiency. Notice the slightly raised edges around the phone charging pad, which help prevent accidental slippage. The true test, of course, is its performance. Let's see how this charging station handles the simultaneous charging of multiple devices. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a Galaxy Watch 6, and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I'll simply place each device on its designated charging pad. As you can see, all three are now charging simultaneously. The charging station utilizes advanced charging technology to ensure optimal power delivery to each device without overheating or causing any damage. While I won't be able to give you precise charging times within this review, based on my initial testing, the charging speeds appear to be on par with other reputable wireless chargers available in the market. It supports fast charging capabilities, ensuring that your devices are ready to go in a reasonable time frame. Overall, the 3-in-1 wireless charging station for Samsung devices offers a compelling solution for users seeking a convenient and aesthetically pleasing way to charge their ecosystem of Samsung products. While the price point might be a consideration for some, the benefits of streamlined charging, reduced clutter, and efficient power delivery make it a worthy investment, particularly for those deeply invested in the Samsung ecosystem. That concludes our unboxing and review. I hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and product insights. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to purchase the charging station and explore other related products. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.